In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gantt chart in ClickUp. Start by opening your browser and heading to clickup.com. From there, sign in and choose Continue with Google. Select the Google account you use for work and complete the sign-in. This gets you straight into your workspace so you can begin planning. Once you're in, navigate to the space where you want the Gantt chart to live. A space is the top-level container that groups related projects and teams, so pick the space that matches the work you're organizing. Inside that space, open the project you want to plan. This is where your tasks live and where your timeline will be most meaningful. At the top of the project, open the View options and switch to the Gantt view. The Gantt view lays out your tasks on a timeline, showing start dates, due dates, and how work overlaps. Dates run left to right, and each task appears as a horizontal bar across the calendar, which makes it easy to spot gaps, bottlenecks, or conflicts at a glance. Let's add a quick example so you can see the flow. Click Add Task, type a clear, action-oriented name, and click Create. Keep task names short but specific so your chart stays readable and your team knows exactly what needs to happen. Now schedule the task directly on the chart. Click on the timeline where you want that task to occur to set its initial start and end dates. Don't worry if you don't land perfectly on the right day. This is easy to fine-tune in the next step. Click the taskbar on the chart to select it. With the task selected, drag the entire bar left or right to shift the schedule earlier or later. To adjust the duration, grab the left or right edge of the bar and drag. Pulling an edge inward shortens the timeline. Extending it outward adds days. As you drag, watch the date tooltips so you can land precisely on the start and due dates you need. If the timeline feels cramped or too spread out, use the zoom control in Gantt view to toggle between days, weeks, or months. Zooming gives you the right level of detail for planning, broad strokes for long projects, and day-by-day accuracy when you need it. And that's it. You've signed in, opened the right space and project, switched to Gantt view, added a task, placed it on the timeline, and refined the schedule by dragging the bar and its edges. With these basics, you can visualize your plan, keep due dates realistic, and adjust quickly as things change.